Hey guys, it's Wooly. I am making a pomegranate crunch salad today and thought I would share it with you. I started with some spring mix salad and added some shredded red cabbage, parsley, diced cucumbers, green onion, and diced tomatoes. Let's not forget the pomegranate seeds. And I saved some of the seeds to make this dressing. So it's pomegranate juice, honey, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and olive oil. And I have dressed the salad. Now I'm going to toss the salad and show you all of the beautiful produce I used in this salad, all thanks to Raw Food and Goods. Look at that. So many veggies in the salad. So colorful, it looks delish, and it tastes amazing. So I'm going to get this served up and show you the final step in this pomegranate crunch salad. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The pomegranate crunch salad I topped with some crumbled feta for that salty bite, and I also finished it off with some pumpkin seed brittle that I made. You might have seen it in my story. Check it out, give it a try, let me know what you think.